Hey everyone, it's one as you can see. This video is gonna be a little bit different here. I'm gonna try to prank my mom. So, okay, I'm going. I didn't tell you the prank. I'm going to pretend to sneeze on her, and it's going to be actually perfume. Okay, let's go. Hey, Mom.
That was the fakest sneeze I have ever heard in my life. That was cool.
I got you. Sort of.
Hacernos para jugar,
Sort of. Wow. Fail. Fail.
That was the fakest sneeze I have ever heard in my life.
I tried, Ashley.
Chill.
Jesus. I guess that's it. Bye.